Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone XS and XS Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns off and turns back on. Once your phone turns back on, you can let go. Continue to hold. You can let go. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Psych, joking, it's already December. So we're trying to hit it by 2024. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. Also drop a like on the video if this helped you out. There you guys go, your phone has been hard resetted.